Either way, let's get you started on your headlines, and we start with tonight. Verona Road Project Quarterly Open Houses tonight. That's right. It starts at 5:30 p.m. at the Verona Road Project Field Office. It's right there in the construction corridor, 6200 Nesbitt Road, and you're joining the Verona Road project team. There's no formal presentation, but you're just there to stop in, ask questions, and find out maybe what's been going on or what's to come. Maps, exhibits, and more. Again, tonight, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Verona Road Project Field Office. All right, it is, we're thinking about our property taxes, getting those paid here as those are about to drop. We also got to think about our pet licenses. Yep, here we go. It's time for those, updating those pet licenses. So if you're stopping in here or if you're going to be sending it in, here's what you need to know. When mailing the application for a dog or cat license, please include a copy of your current rabies vaccination certificate and a self-addressed stamped envelope. We will then mail the license tag and your rabies information back to you. If you have any questions, please contact the clerk's office, 270-4200. And you're seeing here dog license fees, spayed or neutered dogs. You're looking at $15. Non-spayed or neutered dogs, there's $20. The late fee for the license is applied after April 1st, and that's a $5 fee. Cat license fees, spayed or neutered cats, $5. Non-spayed neutered cat is $7. So not too bad, and yeah, just get that taken care of here. Maybe when you come and pay your taxes, just bring that information along and you can get it done. All right. Holiday light recycling can be done too while you stop by here. That's right. Residents can drop off non-working holiday lights and extension cords for recycling at Fitchburg City Hall. A special card is available in the lobby 24 hours a day. That's right. Bulbs larger than marble size, though, must be removed and recycled separately. So keep that in mind that anything bigger than marble size needs to be taken off, or you can't recycle them here at City Hall. All right, growing our region's workforce and talent with education and innovation. This is going to be a great event here. This is on January 10th from 4 to 6 p.m. at Pro Mega, 5445 East Sherrill Parkway. It says here, join Dr. Jack Daniels, president of Madison College, and his team as they talk about Madison College is, well, they'll talk about Madison College, but it says here Madison College is a leader and innovator when it comes to building and advocating our region's workforce. Learn about some of the programming and resources available at the new South Madison campus, which opens up fall of 2019. Looking forward to that. Also, you got the Fitchburg Chamber, the Latino Chamber, the Madison Black Chamber, Pro Mega. They're going to be hosting stuff there as well. A little wine and cheese reception to follow the presentation. So presentations from 4 to 5 p.m. and then the wine and cheese reception follow from 5 to 6:30. So great networking piece there, and you should RSVP for this as well. We got the link for you. We'll post it up when we post up the headlines today. Well, it's never too late to donate blood, and our community blood drive here at City is coming up in February. Wanted to get this on the calendar, February 5th to be exact. This will be at 11:30 to 3:30 p.m. over at the Fitchburg Community Center, Oak Hall Room, 5510 Lacey Road. Schedule appointment to donate blood at the Community Blood Drive and give the gift of life. Appointments are not necessary, but saves time. So, as we've told you in the past, sign up early. You can come in, get it done on your schedule, and get out. And certainly donate. Maybe you can donate now, and then maybe by the time you hit February, you'll be ready to donate again. I don't know if that's possible or not, but hey, you can check into that, right? All right, last but not least, the Home Energy Assistant Program, or WHEAP. I want to talk a little bit about this. Do you need help with your heating or electricity costs for the current heating season? Well, the Wisconsin Home Energy Assistant Program, or WHEAP, provides assistance for heating costs, electric costs, and energy crisis situations. Your household may be eligible for WHEAP services based on the number of factors, including household size, income, and energy costs. In most cases, the energy assistant benefit is paid directly to the energy supplier. The program uses previous 3 months of total household income to determine the program eligibility. It says here, for a one-person household, the 3-month income limit would be $6,870. For a two-person household, the limit would be $8,983.75. For more information to apply for the Energy Assistant Program, contact the Energy Service Incorporated. That's at 608-267-8601. All right, that does it for the headlines.